Let's review the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. New release to ni Infinix and ito daw yung pinakamanipis na gaming phone. So isi-check natin kung totoo ba. Pag-uusapan natin yung design, camera, and syempre yung performance. Kaya tara, start tayo sa box. So ito yung box niya and alam mo talagang pang gaming kapag ganito yung design. Siyempre makikita natin dito yung model name, storage, and memory. Meron din siyang sticker na 5 year of smoothness, sound by JBL, and ito na nga yung pinaka-highlight nila dito. 6.8mm yung nipis ng gaming phone na to, plus 3D curve, 120Hz refresh rate, and AMOLED display. Sa side ng box, ito yung makikita natin. Sa likod naman, nandito yung mga features and specs ni Hot 50 Pro Plus. Check naman natin yung loob ng box. Siyempre nandito yung phone, SIM ejector, warranty card, cleaning kit, Corning Gorilla Glass, phone case, Type-C cable, power adapter, and tag na merong details to join the raffle na exclusive lang sa mga Hot 50 series phone users. So nasabi na nga natin kanina na 6.8mm slim design si Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. And ayan, kita naman natin na manipis talaga siya. 3D curve na din yung display nito and punch hole design kaya naman sobrang modern and slick tignan. Dito naman sa likod, sobrang smooth niya hawakan and mukhang high-end yung design niya. Though di lang ako masyadong fan ng gantong design pagdating sa camera. Meron tong 4 available colors. And sa right side, ito yung makikita mo. Sa left side, inalis nila dito yung SIM card slot and nilipat nila sa baba. Bali wala nang available na 3.5mm jack. Sa taas naman, makikita natin dito na sound by JBL yung speaker niya. So sure na high quality music yung mapoprovide nito. And even na mabasa, okay lang dahil IP54 dust and splash proof to. And unlike other phones, responsive pa din yung screen nito kahit basa or oily yung kamay mo. About naman sa display, 120Hz yung refresh rate kaya expect mo na smooth yung scrolling, transitions, and animations. AMOLED display na din kaya naman it can produce vibrant colors and excellent contrast. Sa size ng phone, 6.78 inch. Sa resolution, 1080 by 2436, consider Full HD+. And in terms outdoor visibility, visible pa din yung display dahil 1300 yung peak brightness. May feature din siya na always on display to show time, date, missed calls, and important messages. Nandito na din sa screen yung fingerprint scanner. 256GB yung storage, kaya naman malaki yung space for files, application, and games. Also, 8GB yung memory na upgradable up to 16GB using memfusion. Sa processor, Helio G100 kaya naman perfect for gaming and multimedia applications. Nagtest ako ng iba't ibang games para makita natin yung performance. Malinaw yung main camera nito dahil 50 megapixel and 13 megapixel naman sa selfie camera. Sa video, 2K yung max resolution and ito yung mga sample ng mga shots. In terms of quality, sharp and okay naman yung colors niya, lalo na kapag natural light and even na madilim, detailed pa din. Tinest ko na din yung ultra steady niya kapag naka-video and ito yung result. If ever naman na gusto mong lagyan ng filters and frames yung video, may options naman dito. Pwede ka din mag-edit ng photo and using Magic Eraser, you can remove unwanted elements or distractions sa photo. Ito naman yung camera features niya, so merong slow motion, time-lapse, dual video, short video, sky shot, Pro, Panorama, Documents, and AR shots. May 10 camera modes din to which are Performance, Travel, Vintage, Family, Street, Superstar, Beats, Sport, Party, and Motion. Additionally, merong 3 controls yung flash nito na magagamit mo for low light situations. Android version 14 yung OS nito and version 14.5 naman yung XOS, kaya naman pwede mong i-personalize yung themes or mag-download online. You can also generate wallpapers based on image or text, depende na lang sa gusto mo. Plus meron tong 5 live wallpapers and if prefer mo na static wallpaper lang, may options ka to download online. Ang maganda dito, high quality lahat to. Pwede mo din i-customize yung lock screen, desktop layout, icon style, color, and fonts. Sa special functions, nandito yung useful features like dynamic bar na magpo-pop up kapag may important information and sinama na din nila dito yung NFC card. Also, floating windows for easy multitasking and Memfusion to expand virtual memory para mas maging smooth yung performance. Smart panel, same with floating windows, mas mabilis lang to dahil may shortcut siya. Ito namang game mode to optimize settings for smoother games and smart hub to easily transfer photo and files. Okay din tong Xclone, allowing you to use dual accounts for social media apps so hindi mo na kailangan mag-switch pa. Lastly, Kids Mode na nag-offer ng app restrictions and screen time limits. Sa actions and gestures, ito yung mga available, so depende na lang sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong i-turn on. 5,000 mAh yung battery life nito and 33 watts yung charger. Meaning, in 45 minutes, full charge na agad yung phone mo. So 0 to 100 yun with bypass charging feature. Kaya naman kahit ilang oras ka maglaro, no problem. Plus, meron tong option ng charging speed and pwede mo din i-turn on yung AI charging protection to reduce battery aging. Overall, this Hot 50 Pro Plus is a solid choice para sa mga naghahanap ng phone na smooth yung performance, malinaw yung camera, mabilis mag-charge, and slick yung design. Kaya kung interested ka, click the link below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sobrang laking tulong po niyan para sa akin and sa channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.